Welcome address by Revered Swami Atmaprabhanji Maharaj, Secretary of the Ramakrishna Mission, Bhubaneswar.
Om Jananing Saradang Devim Ramakrishnang Jagadgurum Padapadme Tayo Sitva Pranamami Muhur. Most revered Srimad Swami Bhagishanandaji Maharaj, Vice President of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, highly respected Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable and popular Chief Minister of Odisha, our chief guest, respected Swami Dibyananda ji Maharaj, trustee and member of the governing body of Ramakrishna Order, Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, Honorable Minister, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Odisha, respected Sri D.P. Bagchi, ex-Chief Secretary of Government of Odisha, revered and dear brother monks and brahmacharins, coming from different mott and mission centers in India, dear delegates, residential and non-residential, coming from different parts of the country, distinguished guests, friends, I, on behalf of the inmates of the ashrama, extend a cordial welcome to all of you to the inauguration ceremony of the second and main phase of our year-long centenary celebration, Bhubaneswar Ramakrishna Math and Mission, founded by Swami Brahmanandaji Maharaj, a direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Deva in the year 1919. It is indeed a rare privilege and honor for me to stand before you on this auspicious occasion and sacred moment in the history of Bhubaneswar Ramakrishna Mission Ashrama. On this historic moment, I recall with reverence the dedication of the monks and brahmacharis who worked here in the past, my respect to the devotees, friends and workers who gave their labor of love for the gradual expansion of this holy ashrama. We also reminisce the contribution of the eminent personalities of Odisha, including Utkalamani Gopabandhu Das, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab, Padma Bhushan Radhakanta Ratha, Sri Navakrishna Chaudhuri, Sri Biren Mitra, Sri Biju Patnaik, Sri Janaki Vallabh Patnaik, and many others. Our homage to the hallowed memory of Srimati Prema Manjari Devi, the Queen of Bolangir, better known as Rani Mata, a great soul who donated her house with adjacent land to Bhubaneswar Math in the name of her Guru Swami Sivanandaji Maharaj. Bhubaneswar has been sanctified by the divine touch of the holy feet of Sri Sri Sarada Devi, who visited the Lingaraj temple in 1904. 10 monastic disciples of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Deva visited Bhubaneswar Math on different dates. It was started as a nucleus of Math's activities, and now it has become as one of the most prestigious centers of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Shankaranandaji, his close disciple, had to give the manual labor to construct this temple building. Swami Brahmanandaji was all praise for Bhubaneswar, which he termed as Gupta Kashi. Brahmanandaji predicted that Bhubaneswar would flourish one day and it would be rich, extensive and prosperous, to be the important center of all activities as the capital. I also reverentially recall the great contribution of my predecessors of the ashrama, mainly Swami Siveswaranandaji, and my immediate predecessor, Swami Priyarupanandaji Maharaj. Honorable Chief Minister will be glad to know that at present our activities include daily worship in the temple, one charitable dispensary with specialized doctors, one high school and ME school with more than 500 students, an Odia publication unit, along with a book sale counter, a well-equipped library, a tribal students' hostel, a guest house to accommodate the devotees coming from different parts of the country, a mobile medical unit, etc. The president of today's ceremony, most revered Srimad Swami Bhagishanandaji Maharaj, a veteran spiritual mentor, he is also well known for his lifetime service spent in the remote tribal areas of Jharkhand. We also happily welcome Swami Dibbananda Ji Maharaj, a trustee of the Belur Math, and Sri Ashok Chandra Panda, who is an ex-student of our school and now elevated to a high position in the government administration. I take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our beloved Chief Minister Sri Naveen Patnaik Ji, who is the worthy son of Sri Biju Patnaik, ex-Chief Minister of the state and a legendary figure in the National Forum. No words are sufficient to express our gratitude to Sri Naveen Patnaik Ji for his all-out support to the infrastructure development of the ashrama, for the preparation of the centenary celebration through government machinery. Dear delegates, coming from the other states may have heard that our Honorable Chief Minister has been adjudged the best Chief Minister in India recently. Once again, I heartily welcome all the monks and brahmacharis, delegates, distinguished guests, media persons, government officials, and especially those of Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation. On this occasion, I remember with gratitude the valuable assistance of Sri Pranab Prakash Das, popularly known as Bobby, a great admirer of Swamiji, and Sri Pragya Paramita Das and their team. They are all admirers of Swami Vivekananda. Now, we have reached a milepost of 100 years. This is the time to look back and also the time to look forward. Dear audience, you know that the message of Swami Vivekananda, the successor of Sri Ramakrishna Deva and Holy Mother, has no date of expiry. It will continue to inspire people everywhere. Swami Vivekananda has said, I shall never cease to work. I shall inspire men everywhere until the world shall know that it is one with God. Thank you all.